In this video, you will learn about best 5 minutes chest workout. Total chest. Can I slim my chest? Do push-ups reduce chest fat? How can I shape my chest fast? Is it hard to lose chest fat? Absolutely! Here's a sample 3-day chest workout plan incorporating the points we discussed. Day 1. Upper chest focus warm-up. 5 minutes light cardio jumping jacks, jump rope and dynamic stretches, arm circles, chest openers, incline dumbbell press. 3 sets of 8-12 reps decline push-ups. 3 sets of failure modify on knees if needed cable flies. 3 sets of 10-15 reps triceps pushdowns. 2 sets of 12-15 reps accessory exercise for pushing strength. Day 2. Rest or active recovery light cardio. Yoga. Day 3. Lower chest and strength focus warm-up. Similar to day 1, barbell bench press. 3 sets of 5-8 reps heavy weight close grip bench press. 3 sets of 10-12 reps targets triceps and inner chest dips. 3 sets of failure assisted dips on a machine if needed, dumbbell chest flies. 3 sets of 12-15 reps cool down. 5 minutes static stretches, chest stretches, shoulder stretches. Notes: this is a sample plan. Adjust weights and reps based on your fitness level. Focus on proper form over heavy weight. Rest for 60-90 seconds between sets. Remember to listen to your body and take rest days when needed. Progression: gradually increase weight as you get stronger. Aim for progressive overload by increasing reps, sets, or exercise difficulty over time. Additional tips: maintain a healthy diet with sufficient protein for muscle growth. Get enough sleep for optimal recovery. Consider incorporating cardio workouts on non-chest days for overall fitness. This plan provides a balanced approach to chest training, hitting both upper and lower pecs with a mix of compound and isolation exercises. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to this plan and you'll be well on your way to a sculpted and defined chest. 5-minute chest blaster. Torch your pecs in under 60 seconds. Feeling short on time but still crave a killer chest workout? You're not alone. This bodyweight blitz targets your entire chest in just 5 minutes, leaving you pumped and ready to conquer your day. Here's the fire. Incline push-ups 30 set. Find a sturdy bench, chair, or even a wall and crank out incline push-ups. This variation hits the upper pecs hard, so focus on a controlled descent and a powerful push-up. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your... Let's continue to the main topic. Diamond push-ups 30 sec. Get low and bring your hands together in a diamond shape, thumbs and index fingers touching. This concentrates the stress on your triceps and inner chest for a sculpted look. Decline push-ups 30 sec. Elevate your feet on a bench or chair and perform decline push-ups. This blasts your lower pecs for that all-important chest definition. Feeling the burn? Modify by doing knee push-ups until you build more strength. Chest flies 30 sec each side. Grab some dumbbells, water bottles work in a pinch, and lie flat on the floor. With elbows slightly bent, lift the weights out to the sides, squeezing your chest at the top. Keep your core engaged and back flat throughout. Mountain climbers 60 sec. Get your heart rate skyrocketing with mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position and alternate bringing each knee towards your chest. Go fast and explosive for maximum calorie burn. Repeat this circuit 3 times for a total of 15 minutes, feeling strong. Increase the reps or add weight with dumbbells. Remember, proper form is key to avoid injury. Let me know in the comments how this workout blasts your chest. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. It's time to discuss: can you slim your chest? Many of us dream of a toned and sculpted physique, and the chest is a key area for both men and women. But can you target fat loss specifically in your chest? The truth about spot reduction: unfortunately, spot reduction, losing fat in one specific area, isn't quite possible. Our bodies tend to store and lose fat based on genetics and hormones. However, don't despair. Here's a 2-pronged approach to tackle chest fat and achieve a trimmer, more defined look. 1. Burn overall body fat. The key to reducing chest fat lies in creating a calorie deficit. This means burning more calories than you consume. You can achieve this through a combination of healthy eating, focus on whole, unprocessed foods, and prioritize exercises that elevate your heart rate, like cardio or high-intensity interval training. 2. Build muscle tone. While you can't directly target fat loss in your chest, building muscle underneath can create a sculpted appearance. Exercises like push-ups, dips, and chest flies with dumbbells or resistance bands will help strengthen and tone your chest muscles. This can give the illusion of a slimmer chest and improve your overall physique. Upgrade your home workouts with my Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for regular exercise and a healthy diet to see results. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Do you have any questions about chest fat loss or building muscle? Leave a comment below. It's time to discuss, do push-ups reduce chest fat? Push-ups are a classic bodyweight exercise known for building chest strength, but can they help you slim down your chest area? Let's dive into the truth about push-ups and fat loss. The power of push-ups. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. They're a convenient and effective way to build upper body strength at home. But here's the thing. Push-ups alone won't magically melt away chest fat. Spot reduction vs. overall fat loss. Our bodies tend to lose fat in a predetermined way based on genetics and hormones. This means you can't target fat loss in a specific area like your chest. However, don't be discouraged. Here's how push-ups can still contribute to a slimmer chest. Increased calorie burn. Push-ups are a challenging exercise, and any exercise that gets your heart rate up helps burn calories. This overall calorie deficit is crucial for fat loss throughout your body, including your chest, muscle building and definition. Strong chest muscles create a toned and sculpted look. Even if you still have some fat stored in the area, push-ups build muscle underneath the chest fat, giving the illusion of a slimmer physique. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic, the key to success. Push-ups are a great tool, but for significant chest fat loss, combine them with a healthy diet that creates a calorie deficit. Regularly performing other exercises that elevate your heart rate like cardio will also accelerate fat loss. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Do you have any questions about push-ups or building a chest workout routine? Leave a comment below. It's time to discuss, how can I shape my chest fast? We all want to see results quickly, especially when it comes to building a sculpted chest, but is there a magic formula for rapid chest shaping? Let's break down the best strategies for achieving a toned and defined chest, keeping in mind there's no shortcut to success. Building vs. burning. While exercise plays a crucial role in shaping your chest, it's important to understand the difference between building muscle and burning fat. Here's the key. Muscle building exercises like push-ups, dips, and chest presses target your chest muscles, helping them grow stronger and more defined. This creates a sculpted appearance, even if you still have some chest fat. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic, fat burning. Spot reduction. Losing fat in one specific area isn't possible. Your body loses fat overall based on genetics and hormones. However, creating a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you consume through exercise and a healthy diet will lead to overall fat loss, including your chest, Fast Track to a shaped chest. Here's a two-pronged approach for faster results, but remember, consistency is key. Strategic strength training. Focus on a chest workout routine 2 to 3 times a week, incorporating exercises with progressive overload, gradually increasing weight or difficulty. This stimulates muscle growth for a more defined chest. Diet and cardio. Combine your workouts with a healthy diet that creates a calorie deficit. Include cardio exercises like running, swimming, or hike to burn even more calories and accelerate fat loss. While there's no magic bullet, this approach will help you shape your chest faster. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Do you have any questions about chest workouts or healthy meal plans? Leave a comment below. It's time to discuss, is it hard to lose chest fat? Stubborn chest fat can be a real source of frustration, but before you throw in the towel, let's talk about the reality of losing fat in this area. The challenge of spot reduction. Unfortunately, targeting fat loss in one specific area like your chest isn't quite possible. Our bodies tend to lose fat based on genetics and hormones, meaning some areas might slim down faster than others. This doesn't mean a sculpted chest is out of reach, but it requires a strategic approach. Unlocking fat loss. Here's the key to reducing chest fat: calorie deficit. This is the golden rule of weight loss. You need to burn more calories than you consume. Combine healthy eating with regular exercise to create this deficit and force your body to tap into stored fat, including chest fat. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic, building a sculpted look. While you can't directly target fat loss in your chest, building muscle underneath can create a more toned appearance. Here's how. Strength training. Exercises like push-ups, dips, and chest presses strengthen and define your chest muscles even with some remaining chest fat. A stronger chest will appear slimmer and more sculpted. Remember, consistency is key. The more you stick to a healthy diet and exercise routine, the faster you'll see results. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Do you have any questions about building a fat-burning routine or chest workouts? Leave a comment below.